About this item: premium performance, dual USB output with a total current of 5V/2.1A and input with 100-240V enables you to charge two mobile devices simultaneously at high speed. It can really save you time. Safety assurance: AILKIN's charger block has a protection system against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. The charger will automatically stop charging when power is full, which can maximally protect your device. Lightweight, home wall charger adapter allows charging at home or in the office via a USB cable connection. Simply plug in the USB cable, and plug the adapter into the wall. Compact, lightweight, portable, stylish, and easy to store. Multi-purpose, universal USB charger box, match all USB-A cables/cords for your phones. Like iPhone 14/13/12/11 Pro Max, Mini, SE, XR, XS Max, XS, X, 8 Plus, iPad Pro, iPad Air, and iPad Mini. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Note 10 Plus 9, Galaxy S22 Ultra, S21 Plus, S20, S10 5G, S10e, A52, A71, A51, A10e, S9, S9 Plus, S8 Plus, A04, SA03, SA02, SA12, A13, A32, A51, A53, A72, A71, A73, A80, A70, A50, A30, A20, A10. Google Pixel 6 Pro 6 a 5 5 a 4 XL 4 4 a 3 XL 3 a 2 XL, LG G8 G7 ThinQ V60 V50 V40, HTC, Blue, LG, Moto, Kindle Fire HD 1098, etc. What you get: 2-pack X dual port USB charger brick and 12-month warranty. Best gifts for your lover, family, or friends. In the description to get this product today.